name's Lincoln McKinlay. I'm here representing Wise Repro and I've just joined the Queensland Production Tour here for 2025 at the Federal Hotel in Toowoomba. So nice catching up with all the young people that have been on the tour over the last couple of days. It's been fantastic hearing about what they've seen and the different parts of our industry, from Roma Saleyards to different stud operations to feedlots and processing plants. Really cool to see what they're experiencing right across our supply chain. Wonderful initiative on behalf of Angus Australia. I think everyone's really enjoyed it and really honoured to be a part of the celebrations on what is their last night here in Queensland.